Good morning, dear students. In last period, you have seen advanced selection option. In that, you have watched using selection all option, using inverse selection option, using delete option, and using transfer selection options. Now you will watch cropping an image. Now see, students, what is cropping? Cropping is one of the most basic photo manipulation process, and it is carried out to remove unwanted objects. It is used for to remove the unwanted objects or irrelevant noise from the photo. Now see, the crop option is used to crop a picture so that only the selected portion appears in your drawing. To crop an image, follow these steps. Some steps you have to follow while cropping the image. Select number 1, select the portion of the image using rectangular selection or free from selection tool. On the home tab, second option, on the home tab, click the crop button. You have to click on crop button in the image group. Only the selected portion becomes visible. See here, this is the image. Selecting a portion of an image, you have to select this portion of an image. See this picture, and afterwards cropped image. See here. Now look, this is an crop image. Like this you have to do. Which on the home tab, click the crop button. You have to click on crop button in the image group. On the image group, only selected portion will become visible. See here, like this. It will see. Now see here, flipping rotating an image. Now flipping rotating an image means what? A flipping image or revise image. The more formal term is a static or moving image that is generated by a mirror. What? By it is generated by a mirror. Reversal of an original across a horizontal axis. It will be an horizontally axis. A flop image is mirror across the vertical axis. It will also cross the vertical axis. Now see, the flip option allows you to flip over the image or a selected portion of it horizontally or vertically. The flip horizontal option gives the mirror image of the selected portion or the whole image. The flip vertical option flips the selected portion or the whole image upside down. To flip an image, follow the steps. Now see, while the flipping the image, you have to follow some steps. Now see here, some steps are, look this box, rotate right 90 degree, rotate left 90, rotate 180 degree, flip vertical, flip horizontal, straight and downside. Now see here, select the image that you want to flip. What you have to do, you have to select an image those you have to flip. Now see here, select the image that you want to flip. Number 1, on the home tab, click the rotate button. You have to click on rotate button. In the image group, a submenu will appear. Like this, a submenu will appear in the image group. Rotate 90 degree, rotate left 90 degree, rotate 180, flip vertical, flip horizontal. Now see, number 3, click flip vertical or flip horizontal to flip the image vertically or horizontally. Now look this image you are looking, it will be look like this. Okay, vertical and horizontal. Now see here, the rotate option allows you to rotate the image or selected portion of it. To rotate the image, you have to rotate to image, means right left you want to do. So some are the steps. Follow these steps. Select the image of or the portion of the image that you want to rotate. On the home tab, second option, on the home tab, click the rotate button. You have to click on the rotate button on the home tab. In the image group, a submenu will appear. Number 3, click rotate right 90 degree. Click on rotate right 90 degree, rotate left 90 degree or rotate 180 degree. The selected image or the portion of it is rotated by the specified angle. See here, this is the images of the specified angles. Original image, this is an original image. Now you have rotate right 90 degree. Okay, see, this is. Now afterward rotate left 90 degree. This image is number 3 image is rotate left 90 degree, and last image rotate 180 degree. This is the rotate 180 degree image. Okay, like this you have to do.